Does anything else come to mind advice-wise, things you wish that someone would have told you, or things that you're kind of looking forward to as you enter this new decade of your life?
This is very important, especially in fine dining. You want to be a chef. I think there's two kinds of chefs you can really be in your life, and there's a lot more you can do in food itself, whether it's content creating and media. But if you're talking about brick and mortar restaurants, there's the fine dining chef that's you have to really be passionate and really set your standard high and work towards that. Or you could be more of a casual chef. There's no shame in that. Pick and choose like what you want to do. Don't necessarily start at three Michelin, because if you have no experience and you go to three Michelin, they're going to have you picking cilantro leaves and herbs. No offense. Start maybe at a 1-star place where they'll actually let you work the line, a 2-star New York Times or one Michelin kind of place. And 1 year, try to then start staging at other places. Try to stage on your day off. What you put into this industry is what you're going to get out of it work-wise, right? Put that knowledge into your mind and your brain, and you get the skills. It's all experience-based. But those first few years, try to learn different cuisines, make yourself uncomfortable,